Sensibility and practicality define the 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, and much more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.